So today we're going to give this PlayStation 5 a quick clean. It gets used approximately 15 to 20 hours a week and it's getting a bit dusty now. It's about 10 months old. So for this you will need a duster, can spray and a small paintbrush, nice and soft. Okay, so first of all you just want to go round and clean out all these vents like that. And then with your duster you want to go in between and just spray. And do you see the dust coming out? That's it. And if you do this regularly, your PlayStation will be dust free and run better and cooler for longer. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button and leave a comment, and we'll be doing a prize draw. More information on that coming up. So it's competition time guys, and we're going to be giving away £50 or $50 Amazon voucher for the first prize, $20 or £20 for the second prize, and $10 or £10 for the third prize. Now the competition rules are: subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and the most important is leaving a comment. Comment about what you want to see, what you liked about the video, maybe what you didn't like, and from the comments your name will be entered into the prize draw, and it will close and the draw will be done when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead if you want to be part of that. Thank you so much and best of luck everyone, and catch you on another video real soon.